Hi, I'm Sam Abergel. I'm the Service and Parts Director here at Porsche Westlake, here to bring you the next updates on our project car, old meets new. After the dry ice blast, we went ahead and had the car sandblasted. So after the sandblasting's done, they do an epoxy coat of primer. And it's a high-end primer. They're able to block the car down. They use a little filler where needed, take out any imperfections, any minuscule dings or dents. The car we started with was pretty clean to begin with. There was a few panels that we had to redo and really emphasize getting them nice and straight. So after that gets done, they block it all down again, sand it, and they're pulling all the dents they can from the backside if they can. The less filler on the body, the better off we are. And very, very little filler on this, and that's just to take out the little ripples and whatnot to make it nice and smooth. So we changed the antenna. This car had an antenna on it, a hole about the size of a quarter, maybe a little bigger, but we took that and filled that, and we welded a piece in on the bottom of it, filled that in, and there's no more hole there for the antenna, so we've now going to replace the windshield with an antenna inside the glass. Everything's cleaned up, and it's off to the paint shop. Paint shop, that's where they apply the primer, the color, the clear. It's exciting because this car is going to be amazing when it's done. It really is. This paint is going to look an inch deep. Look out for our next video. We're going to cover the entire painting process as best we can for you. Follow us on social media at Porsche Westlake for events and updates.